Before deciding which style and cutting technique to apply on our model Lexi, David Volt Baker has conducted a thorough consultation to decide what face shape, hair abundance, diameter, formation and condition he's working with. David creates the Hyper Mod style on Lexi from the Kawaii collection. Separate the hair using the Hyper Fin technique, creating a triangular separation in the crown area. Separate the inner section transversely. In the rear area, separate the first central strand vertically. Project the strand perpendicularly and with the point cutting technique, cut following the roundness of the head. Proceed with the haircut on the right side with sunburst separations and pulling each strand perpendicularly. Cut using the same technique, maintaining the length of the shape constant. This technique with balanced layers gives greater rotundity to the shape and movement to the hair. Repeat the same procedure on the opposite side. In the front area, separate the first central strand. Project the hair perpendicularly and following the guide strand, cut using the point cutting technique. Proceed with the second strand, project it perpendicularly and following the roundness of the head, cut in the same way. Proceed in the same way over the left side. The choice of length of the round shape will depend on the hair type, the shape of the head, and the desired style. Repeat and mirror the same procedures on the right side. In the rear area, separate the first central strand at approximately 6 to 7 centimeters wide. Twist the hair over itself and projecting it horizontally, create a twist. On different parts of the length, cut with the blade of the scissors using the twist cutting technique, creating slight disconnected layers over the entire section. Proceed over the left side, separate the second section behind the ear and twisting the hair over itself, create a twist. Cut along the length of the twist using the twist cutting technique, personalizing the haircut. Repeat the same procedure on the opposite side. Follow the same procedure on the right side. This kind of technique creates textures on the lengths, giving greater movement to the hair. Conclude in the same way on the opposite side. Define the rear perimeter. The result is the fusion of two active and disconnected shapes, with a dominance created in the fringe area. The style is inspired by the Chelsea chic look from the end of the 90s. To complete the hyper mod style, Lexi was coloured using the V-Harmony colouring technique.